4 there. We see here in Martinlaakso modernized Helsinki's position in Länsi-Vantaa, Vantaa, in Finland. Actually, this says 1968 here, which means that these were actually supposed to be built in early 1969, actually, in this residential building. So they are a bit older than we thought. There's these 3-per-floor voikrams with sand floors. And this was built in early 1969 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 50 years old in 2019. Serial number is VS 1829. It's 1830 actually. And it will be inspected this year, 2021. That's right. Down to the street level. Is this correct?
Yeah. Inspected by device and maintained by Schiller.
So back to street level. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the 3 last step. This is the most professional building, F, G, and H.
That's